proposed legislation before you, rightly, Chair, as you pointed out, it's
Riendekithia riri ria MUMBUNGE wa EMBAKASI West Mark Mwenje riugite uheani wa ciiga cia mwiri ndubatie kuoererwo ta biacara indi ubatie gukinyanirio iri ta njira ya guteithiriria aria marabatara uteithio matekwenderio ciiga ici
and organs and to establish the Kenya Tissue and Organ Transplantation Authority.
Riendekithia riri riendekithitie faini ya ciringi milioni 5 hari mundu kana thibitari uria urinyitikaga ugitwarithia thuguri ya ciiga kioho gitanyiheire miaka 10 kana ciothe igiri.
In Kenya today, people talk about donations, the human organ donations that I want to donate this organ, I want to do that, but it's for business. It's all business being conducted out there. This bill will specifically prohibit that.
Kuringana na Mwenje, riendekithia riri rigituika watho riguteithiriria kunina thuguri ya ciiga iria ikoretwo igikinyanirio na hitho endia matari na umenyo wa mathina ma mwiri maria mangimarumirira na oho kurigiriria uici wa ciiga.
Child trafficking is because organs for children can be very valuable. Why? They are younger, they can be matching quite easily and can be used for a longer time.
We will need to really be quite thorough and quite careful and quote other jurisdictions where organ transplant is more advanced. So, because we have to get it right.
Riendekithia riri riukite riri thibitari wa Medhill ukoretwo ugithuthurio ugikuruhanio na thuguri ya higo.
They strengthen the legal framework on human organ donation and transplantation for treatment purposes in the country, and by prohibiting the use of human tissue or organs donated except for the purpose of transplantation for medical treatment. The bill shall curb the growing cases of human organ harvesting disguised as human organ donations.
Doing a law to curtail organ donations. We are doing a law so that we can make sure it's done in the right manner.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.